This is Samsung Galaxy A30s, and today I'll show how you can enable, disable, and overall use the Talkback feature on this device. So in the beginning, you will need to launch Settings. Next, find and enter the Accessibility category. From here, go for the Talkback, and here is the Talkback Settings and Preferences page. You can enable it by using and disable it by using this toggle at the top.
Talkback on. Welcome. Close. Talkback. Turn off. Talkback off.
Or you can also use a way more convenient way and enable the Talkback shortcut. Now you can open here. You can open the Talkback shortcut Settings and Preferences page and enable any or all of those three options. So here you now have the shortcut or button for you to enable the Talkback from
Talkback off.
Pretty much anywhere in the system. You can also press side and volume up keys like that.
Press both side and volume up keys. Talkback on. Talkback off.
Or press and hold volume up and down keys for 3 seconds.
Press and hold both. Talkback on. Talkback shortcut. Navigate up button. Double tap. Talkback off.
And well, that will be more or less everything. Or actually you can go into settings here and change all those preferences as well. And that will be definitely everything. So thanks for watching and bye bye.